turn. Here lies the poor dead little bird. Jiney's covering it with her shadow.
I want to eat it. Turn it around. Turn it around now.
Wait, don't cover. Poor bird didn't get to survive.
Wait. Turn it around. Ew. Ew, no. Ew. Oh, that's so gross. Oh my God.
It's still fresh. We might even eat it for supper today. Turn it around.
No, you do that way.
What if it's...
I turned this so we could die in peace.
Grab its tail and just go like that.
No.
I'll grab his tail.
That's so mean.
I'll grab his tail.
Ew, hold on I'm holding on in case I faint.
Oh my God. I'm calling 911.
We're gonna call 911 soon. I'm gonna poke it with my finger. Ow, watch it!